Hello. In this video, we will see how to create a gift card. Let's create a gift card. We will go to Products. In Products, we will go to Gift Cards. After going to Gift Cards, we will create a gift card. And the gift card code will already come. And here we do not fill anything in the gift card. We just give the initial value of the gift card. That's how much value we have to give. Now we will give value on this gift card. For example, 200. And we will save it. It will show, okay, 2,000 balance. We have not put any date of expiry. Gift card is added from our name. Now we will go to Shopify. After going to Shopify, we will go to Instance. After going to Instance, we will go to our instance. After going there, we will sync gift cards. So our gift card is synced. Now we will go to Gift Cards. After going to Gift Cards, we will see the gift card that we created randomly. We will see the balance here. Remaining balance 200. We will see the gift card ID of Shopify. This is the gift card ID of Shopify, 55,088. And this is the initial value of 200 rupees. And if we want to put an expiry date on it, we can also put an expiry date from here. Okay, gift card has a privacy of Shopify. If we can create a gift card in Shopify, but if we can create a gift card in Odoo, then we cannot create the same gift card in Shopify. But if we create a gift card in Shopify, then we can put it in Odoo. But if we create a gift card in Odoo, then we cannot put it in Shopify. Clear. This is the Shopify rules. Thank you.